There aren't many cars that walk into the world with a legacy on their shoulders, but the Supra MK5 didn't walk in. It arrived like a plot twist, a car everyone doubted, then couldn't stop talking about. And that's exactly why it changed the game. Because the MK5 isn't just a reboot, it's a reminder that modern performance doesn't need to scream. It just needs to hit hard. From the moment you see it, the message is clear. This thing was shaped by people who care about speed like an art form. That long hood, the tight rear, the fluid, almost organic curves, none of it is random. It's aerodynamics sculpted into attitude, a car built to look fast even when it's parked under a streetlight. Then you start it, and the whole mood shifts. The MK5 doesn't roar. It snaps, cracks, and kicks like it's daring you to push further. Every throttle blip feels like it's pulling tension out of thin air. And once you're in motion, the MK5 shows its real personality. Precision with a wild side. Short wheelbase, tight chassis, insanely responsive steering. It dances into corners with that perfect balance of confidence and danger, the kind of feeling drivers chase for years. But here's the part gearheads can't ignore. The MK5 is tuning friendly in a way modern cars forgot how to be. Bolt-ons wake it up. Tunes transform it. And with the right touches, this thing hits numbers that shouldn't even belong to a car this compact. It's a blank canvas where horsepower becomes the paint, and every builder becomes an artist. Yet the real charm isn't the speed, it's the personality. The MK5 feels alive. Every drive is a reminder that cars don't need to chase nostalgia. They just need soul. And somehow this machine carries the spirit of the past without pretending to be the past. That's why the MK5 matters. Not because of what came before it, but because it dared to be something new. A modern performance icon built for drivers who want sharp, fast, technical fun instead of big numbers and empty noise. It's the kind of car that doesn't try to impress you, it just does. And yeah, every time you drop a gear and feel it surge, you're reminded why we love machines like this. Machines that fight expectations and rewrite their own legacy. Walk away from it, and you'll still feel it buzzing in your bones.